Well, I'm Bill Armstrong, and I'm the owner, founder of Armstrong Oil and Gas. And I started this company long time ago when I was a young man. And our kind of specialty in oil and gas is looking for and finding large new fields that have been missed by other companies. And we've been active all over the United States, particularly in Alaska. And we've had great success in the last 2 decades in Alaska, finding billions and billions of barrels of oil. And we've been super busy over the last 2 years looking around the globe, trying to use our success in exploration, trying to find the perfect place to apply it. And we've done a lot of work in Aruba, a lot of work in a lot of Latin American countries, and we have really high hopes for what we see in Aruba. Okay, the signing today was really important for us, because obviously we can't work in Aruba unless we have a contract to be able to work. And the Arubans have been fantastic to work with. Jeremy's been great, and it's been very efficient, very fast moving, but a lot of care taken in. So today was a very important day. All right, so after today, we're immediately going to go to work doing a lot more geophysical and geological work. And we've already contracted to buy a large existing 3D chute, and we're going to reprocess that to the most current technological best. And then we will interpret that. And so we're hoping that within a year, maybe 18 months, we'll have identified multiple projects to go drill. And one thing about Aruba is there's only been like 4 wells ever drilled in this country. And each one of the wells had some encouragement. And it didn't result in a large discovery at the time, but they did have quite a bit of encouragement. And like if you go look at Guyana, for example, which has completely transformed that country in the last 10 years, there's dozens of dry holes in that country before they found Liza and these big fields that Exxon has. So we think that same situation exists in Aruba, where the big fields have been missed. Do you realize how lucky you are to live in Aruba? This is a gorgeous place, and the people are so fantastic. And we're really hoping to create a lot of value for your country, give you energy independence, and have the entire island just really flourish from what we plan on doing.